What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram. Now I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you how to hide your own likes so that people cannot see them, and I'm going to show you how to hide the likes so that you cannot see the like count on other people's pictures and videos as well, right? So let's go ahead. Now on your Instagram account, guys, anywhere within Instagram, if you come across a video or picture that has likes and you don't want to see that likes, now how do you do that, guys? Now what you want to do, guys, for hiding the likes on your own videos or pictures, what you want to do, you want to click on your profile right on the lower right hand side. Then you want to go ahead and find a video or a picture within your post, and then you want to go ahead and click on that. Now, as you can see here, guys, this video has one like, and in order to hide this like, all I have to do is just simply go ahead and click on the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and then I'm going to click on hide like count to others. Now once you tap on that, guys, you realize that the like is now gone and you're not able to see the like count anymore. And in order to unhide that, all you have to do is just go back to the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and you can unhide this like count. Very easy and very simple, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh there, and you will see that the like count is back. Very easy stuff. Now how do you go about and do that for other people's videos and pictures that you can see in your profile? Now as you can see here, this video has over 656,000 likes, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that for other people's videos and pictures. So go ahead and click on your profile on the lower right hand side. Then you want to click on the burger menu from the uppermost right hand side. Then you want to scroll down to where it says a like count. So click on like count, and then you want to turn on hide likes and share count. So once you turn this on, guys, and go back to your main page, home page there, if you go ahead and do a refresh, you realize that you're not able to see any like count for any pictures. As you can see there, you can see comments, but you're not able to see any like count. No, that's how you easily do it, guys. You can easily turn off the like count for pictures and videos within Instagram. You can easily turn that back on by going to your profile, then go back to the burger menu. Then you want to scroll on to where it says like count, and then you can turn this off. And then when you go back to your home, do a refresh, you'll realize that like count is now visible again. Very easy and very simple stuff, guys.